Hi, today we continue exploring on tips to consider to make a living room appear bigger and brighter. Number 6, artificial lighting. Incorporate a variety of light sources throughout the room to illuminate dark corners and create a welcoming ambience. Use a combination of overhead lighting, floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to provide a balanced illumination. Number 7, minimalist decor. Choose decor items with clean lines and simple designs to maintain a sense of openness in the room. Avoid overcrowding shelves and surfaces with knickknacks and opt for a few carefully curated pieces that add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Number 8, vertical space. Make use of vertical space to draw the eye upward and create the illusion of height. Consider installing floor-to-ceiling shelving or hanging artwork higher on the walls to maximize visual impact. Number 9, reflective surfaces. Integrate reflective materials such as glass, metal, or polished finishes into your furniture and decor. These surfaces will bounce light around the room, enhancing brightness and creating a more spacious feel. And finally, number 10, strategic placement. Arrange furniture in a way that maximizes natural light and promotes an open, airy atmosphere. Consider placing larger pieces against walls to free up floor space in the center of the room, and arrange seating to encourage conversation and flow. By paying attention to these details and implementing them thoughtfully, you can transform your living room into a brighter, more spacious environment that is both functional and visually appealing.